Good morning from beautiful Bali. I'm currently outside Munduk Asri. Now I don't know whether that's the name of the tree or the name of this place, but it's in Ubud, about 35-minute ride away from where I'm staying currently. It's a nice, pretty easy ride. I'm gonna go check out what it's looking like. From Google Images, it looked like it was a place where there was a massive tree with lots of roots and stuff. So it looks very good, and I thought, why not? I'm gonna go there and see if I can capture some amazing content. This is what the entrance looks like, and it's got a sign there. I don't know whether you guys can read that or not. It says Munduk Asri. So they've added these amazing carts out here where you can sit down and chill with whoever you are that you come with. Luckily for me, it's early morning and it's completely quiet. No one's here except for me. I'm here by myself. And while my drone's doing its thing, I just thought I'd say that for 10,000, which is 55p, I think it's definitely worth coming here. Oh my god, I've just seen a durian. I've never seen a durian actually hanging from a tree. And I'm back at my hotel. I kind of got lost on the way and I went down this very scary forest jungle looking type of route, and dogs were after me, so I thought, you know, I'm not going to risk going down this route and follow it through. One thing you ought to know about Ubud as opposed to Canggu or Semiyak or the other areas I've been to so far, Ubud is what Bali was like, well, what Semiyak, Canggu was like 10, 20, 30 years ago. Definitely the old school vibes of what Bali was like with the island life and the locals. You don't get that same touristy vibe as you do with Canggu and Semiyak, where you see lots of tourists, available resources from gyms to whatever it is. Definitely more old school around here. You are pretty much in the middle of a jungle, but I'm hoping for the week that I'm here it's gonna get better. I'm gonna go eat and then I'm gonna go head out and see where else I can go and make use of this productive day. Well, take a look at this. Now that's great for you. Good afternoon. As you can see, I've got a nice pair of shades. That really helps me against the wind when I'm riding from point A to point B. I'm currently at Pura Gunug Kawi Sebatu. That's where I'm at. I'm currently outside the ticket office. I think the price for a single adult, foreign, obviously domestic people have different prices, obviously cheaper, is 30,000 Indonesian rupiah, which is about just £1.75 or something like that. So I'm gonna buy my ticket, go inside and see what this place is about. Alright, I've got a saro on. To go inside this place, just like any other holy place, you have to dress appropriately, and that is exactly what I'm doing. So it's 5,000 for a bag of food for the fishes out here, and the fishes out here are pretty big. So this is what 10,000 Indonesian rupiah looks like. I'm gonna hand it over to the gentleman and get 2 bags. Suksumu, and this is what dragon fruit looks like. This looks tasty. Perfect. Terima kasih. Oh, would you look at this? And while you're out here in Ubud, why not stop over by one of the rice terraces where you've got an amazing view. Take a look at this. And a quick 4-minute journey down the road, on the main road, is Alas Harum, if I'm pronounced that correctly. And of course you have these, I don't know, monsoon creatures, not monsoon creatures, what are they called? They've got a name, I know the name, so you guys get the idea. I'm out here, I'm gonna go inside, see what's popping, but first, mandatory picture needed, so let's go and see. To the super extreme swing, to the extreme swing, to the couple swing, to the romantic swing bed, and then the romantic swing bed plus extreme swing. So there's a lot of mixes right there. As well as that, you've got the entrance only to trek the Harum private terrace, and the couple sky bike, which you need another person for, which
Well, I don't have the second person for me to do the bike, which is clearly obvious. But regardless, I'm going to go down because there's some amazing sculptures down below there on the rice terrace. I'm going to try to see if I can get my drone up, get some nice shots. But it does look like it's going to rain soon, so I'm going to have to make a move and speed up. While you're out here, just know that if you're one of those bloggers and love pictures, this is a very good spot because there's so many different Instagrammable places to take pictures. And yeah, you'll love it. I'm sure you'll have enough content for 2 weeks to post every single day. A thing or two about this vlog, about some amazing Instagrammable places, 4 pictures, videos. And on that note, for the millionth time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.